If you've been stuck in that I want to start a business but I don't know where to begin type of mode, you're in the right place. Hey up, I'm Lee, and this is BasicAF, the free step-by-step startup training built for real life. No fluff, no hustle cosplay, no just work harder nonsense. Here's how this works. The podcast is your weekly direction and mindset anchor. Gives you a deeper understanding of what we're tackling that week. BasicAF, aka these YouTube lessons, are the walkthrough training that shows you exactly what to do. And BBS is the free community that keeps you moving with prompts, tiny actions, and accountability, so you don't fall off after 3 videos. You can absolutely watch these lessons alone, but if you want to actually implement, BBS is where that happens. By following this series week by week, you will go from having scattered idea soup to a clear business direction, your first offer that you can sell, basic systems in place to get paid and delivered, and a launch that fits your energy. It's not become a millionaire overnight. It's build something that's real, doable, and sustainable. We keep this stupidly simple because overwhelmed brains don't need complexity. They need a path. Here's the rhythm. Each Saturday, podcast and BasicAF lesson drop. You listen when you can, watch the week's lesson, grab the resources from the classroom. Wednesday, we post the week's prompt in BBS. You answer it. Messy is allowed and encouraged, and you get feedback and momentum from the community. Friday is the weekly close thread. You comment one tiny action that you took this week, or will take that day. That's how progress happens without burnout. There's also Monday promo day for the school leaderboard. You'll understand that if you come into the group, and a Sunday fun thread. But the core to keep up with its system is Saturday, Wednesday, Friday. This is important. You do not need to do everything perfectly or quickly. If your energy is low, your bare minimum is watch the Saturday lesson, answer the Wednesday prompt, and post your Friday tiny action. That's it. Do that and you're still in the game. And if you miss a week, don't restart your life. Just come back to the episode and keep going. Everything will still be there when you're ready to move on. Inside BBS, you'll find the resources that match each lesson. These are worksheets, templates, checklists, and even some custom GPTs. The weekly prompts and the weekly close threads. You'll also get a community of people building at the same stage, some a little bit further ahead, some a little bit further behind. It's free, it's beginner friendly, and it is designed to keep you moving. So for week 1, we're keeping it simple. Your job this week, join BBS. There's a link in the description below. Find the Start Here area in the classroom. It'll be linked in a pinned post. You can't miss it. And then introduce yourself, who you are and what you're building. No pressure to have it all figured out. I have 2 ideas and I'm confused. Totally a valid starting point. Links are in the description for the podcast episodes, BBS community, and the BasicAF classroom resources. You've watched this lesson, so come into BBS and post your intro. I'll see you in there.